Hey guys, today is vlog 27. We are in my Honda Civic.
Yep.
Seeing if it'll work with the radiator. It seems to be working super well, so hopefully it'll keep working super well, but we're going out to Caldwell. And today is gonna be all about dump trucks and Christmas crack. So we're gonna see if we can buy a dump truck. I don't even know why they call it that. It's good though. It's really good.
Hi there.
This is Joshua.
Alright. So, today, we're going out to Caldwell, and can you even see out this window? Alright, well, this is Brandon, and back here's Nicole. Yep, so we're heading out to Caldwell, if you can see this, and yeah. We're heading out to Caldwell to check out a dump truck for this guy. Me. And this dump truck is basically for business use, right?
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can't squeeze a few dollars out of the old metal of this dump truck, you know what I mean? Put it to use, rent it out. We'll see though. There's always a use for a dump truck, but it's all about how you market it.
And so the story will continue when we arrive at the dump truck.
Woo!
Peace out.
Sweet.
What's your name?
Wayne.
Wayne, I'm Brandon.
Brandon.
Yeah. You guys have a title for it?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Seems in good shape. Here's the inside.
It says 123,000 on it. Be my guess. What do you think? I think it's stinking nice for the price. Holy smokes! This bed right here, metal bed, it was like $1,000. Oh man, I'm liking how it's looking. I checked another one out not too long ago, and wow, it was beat up. Is that where it usually sits, or?
So I want to put this in the fuel though, just because.
How long have you guys owned it?
This thing is super nice, guys. Like super nice. I have a feeling Brandon is definitely gonna buy it.
Okay, so check this out. We are looking at a Chevy C70 Custom Deluxe $950 dump truck, okay? And it's looking really good. I mean, for what it is, it's looking great. It has power steering. It has a brake booster for trailers. It has a PTO for the dump bed. Everything's looking really sharp. And I mean, I'm telling you, if this thing runs good, dude, I'm buying it. Like, I'm stoked. It's gonna be so fun. It's got the hitch. It's got the big hitch. It's got the small hitch. And it was registered back in 07. So man, this thing's gonna be sweet. All right, let's see if we can fire it up. I don't know if they've got no pour spout. Oh, this one does.
One of these days I'm going to buy a whole different series of funnels. Every time I want a funnel that's
You'll have the
too
right one.
small or too big or...
I know. All right. Next. Yeah, I was starting to
Wondering if we could...
ain't as strong as the old timer.
Yeah. Well, so you think this has a mechanical pump on it, or do you think it's...
Probably.
Yeah, I'd imagine so.
Yeah. Might need to pull that brake and drop a little fuel in there to get it started.
Okay. Firing up the brute.
It wants to so bad.
Keep going.
I don't like it when it's got like half of it. Hey guys, so it is 6 o'clock and I was going to show you guys how to do Christmas crack, but I do not have time. I have an hour until we have to get to church, but I'll just explain it to you really quick. All it is you line saltine crackers and then you melt a cup of butter and a cup of brown sugar together, and you pour that over it and put it in the oven at 425 for like 5 minutes, not even. And then when it comes out, you just layer as much chocolate chips as you need over it, and then you just kind of spread it, and then you put it in the freezer, and then it's done. So I have to go do that really fast. But anyways, we are vlogging out. We'll see you later. Bye.